Ever found yourself wondering if that handy app you use to split dinner bills with friends can actually power your side hustle or even your full-blown business? Can Venmo, the go-to for peer-to-peer payments, seamlessly transition from personal transactions to professional endeavors? And if so, what's the catch? What are the rules, the fees, and the potential pitfalls of trying to mix your personal Venmo life with your business ventures? For years, Venmo has been synonymous with ease and convenience for splitting costs, paying back friends, and generally keeping your social finances in order. It's the app you instinctively open when you need to send your roommate your share of the rent or collect money for that group gift. But as the gig economy has boomed, and more individuals are starting small businesses, freelancing, or selling goods online, a natural question arises: can Venmo keep up? Can it evolve beyond just a personal payment tool and serve as a legitimate platform for business transactions? The answer, as with many things in the world of finance and technology, isn't a simple yes or no. It's nuanced, with specific guidelines, advantages, and limitations that you absolutely need to understand before you start accepting payments for your products or services. Using Venmo incorrectly for business can lead to anything from inconvenient account holds to more serious issues with tax reporting and even account closure. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned freelancer, or just curious about maximizing your Venmo potential, stick around. We're about to demystify Venmo for both personal and business use, breaking down everything you need to know to navigate its features responsibly and effectively. Let's dive in. Music fades out. Alright, let's get straight to the core of it. Can you use Venmo for both personal and business accounts? The short answer is yes, you can have both. Venmo has, in recent years, made a concerted effort to cater to the growing number of individuals and small businesses looking for an easy way to accept payments. They've introduced what they call business profiles, which are specifically designed for commercial transactions. This is a crucial distinction, because while you can have both, you absolutely cannot use your personal Venmo account for business transactions. This isn't just a recommendation, it's a strict policy violation that can have real consequences. Think of it this way: your personal Venmo account is like your personal checking account. It's for your everyday expenses, sharing money with friends and family, and personal purchases. Your Venmo business profile, on the other hand, is akin to a dedicated business bank account. It's built with features and compliance requirements specifically for commercial activity. So, why the strict separation? It boils down to a few key areas: taxes, fees, and the nature of the transactions themselves. The perils of using a personal account for business. Let's start with why you shouldn't use your personal Venmo profile for business. It might seem convenient initially. You already have an account, it's easy to send and receive money, and hey, it's free for peer-to-peer payments, right? This is where many people get tripped up. Firstly, tax reporting. Venmo, like other payment processors, is required to report certain payment activity to the IRS. Specifically, for business accounts, they issue Form 1099-K if you meet certain thresholds. If you're using your personal account to receive payments for goods and services, Venmo isn't set up to track those as commercial transactions. This means they won't issue you a 1099-K, potentially putting you in a difficult spot come tax season if you haven't diligently tracked all your income yourself. More importantly, using a personal account for business payments violates Venmo's terms of service. Their user agreement explicitly states that you cannot use a personal profile to accept payments for goods or services unless it's explicitly authorized. What happens if Venmo catches you doing this? They can and will take action. This could include limiting your access to funds, holding or reversing transactions, or even, in severe cases, freezing or closing your account entirely. Imagine relying on Venmo for your business income only to have your account frozen. That's a major disruption to your cash flow and operations. Secondly, fees. While personal Venmo payments are typically free when funded by a linked bank account or Venmo balance, business transactions incur a small fee. We'll get into the specifics of those fees in a moment, but by using a personal account for business, you're essentially circumventing these fees, which is another reason Venmo strictly prohibits it. Thirdly, lack of business features and protections. Your personal Venmo account isn't designed with business needs in mind. It lacks crucial features like detailed transaction records, invoicing capabilities, and dispute resolution services that are vital for running a legitimate business. Furthermore, Venmo's purchase protection, while it exists for some transactions, is primarily geared towards consumer-to-merchant payments made through authorized business profiles, not peer-to-peer transactions. This means if a customer disputes a payment made to your personal account, you might be left without recourse and out of your product or service. Introducing the Venmo Business Profile. So, the clear solution for businesses is to utilize a Venmo Business Profile. This is Venmo's answer to integrating commercial activity onto their platform, providing a compliant and feature-rich environment for sellers. How to set up a Venmo Business Profile. The great news is that you don't need a separate Venmo login for your business profile. It's linked directly to your existing personal Venmo account. You can easily switch between your personal and business profiles within the app. To set one up, you typically go to your profile in the Venmo app, look for an option to create a business profile or business account, and then follow the prompts. You'll need to provide information about your business, such as your business name, description, and potentially your employer identification number, EIN, if you have one, or your social security number if you're a sole proprietor. You'll also set up your payment methods for receiving funds, usually linking a business bank account. Key features of a Venmo business profile. Once you have a business profile, you unlock a suite of features designed to make accepting payments easier and more professional. Accept payments for goods and services. This is the primary function. Customers can pay you directly within the Venmo app by searching for your business name or username, or by scanning your unique Venmo QR code. Public-facing profile. Your business profile allows you to include a logo, description, website links, and even a photo gallery to showcase your products or services. This increases your visibility within the Venmo app and provides a more professional appearance. Increased discoverability. Venmo users can search for businesses within the app, potentially leading new customers to your products or services. There's even a social feed aspect where users can see payments made to businesses, offering a form of organic marketing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.